Good morning, John. How can I assist you today?
Good morning, Miss Johnson. I really want to improve my English speaking skills. I find it challenging to express myself fluently. Can you help me?
Absolutely, John. Learning English speaking skills can be an exciting journey. Let's break it down into a few key points that will help you become fluent quickly. Are you ready?
Yes, Miss Johnson. I'm eager to learn. What's the first point?
The first point is to immerse yourself in English. Surround yourself with the language as much as possible. Watch English movies, listen to English music, and read English books. This exposure will help you develop an ear for the language and enhance your vocabulary.
That sounds fun. I'll make sure to incorporate more English into my daily life. What's the next point?
The next point is to practice speaking regularly. Find a language partner or join a conversation group. Engage in conversations, discuss various topics, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Speaking regularly will boost your confidence and fluency.
I'll start looking for conversation partners right away. What's the third point, Miss Johnson?
The third point is to expand your vocabulary. Learn new words every day and use them in sentences. Make a habit of using a dictionary or vocabulary app to explore new words and their meanings. Building a strong vocabulary will help you express yourself more effectively.
I'll make a word journal and try to incorporate new words into my daily conversations. What's the next point, Miss Johnson?
The next point is to listen attentively. Pay close attention to native English speakers when they talk. Focus on their pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. Mimicking their speech patterns will help you improve your own pronunciation and overall speaking skills.
I'll start listening to podcasts and paying more attention to how native speakers talk. What's the final point, Miss Johnson?
The final point is to practice reading aloud. Choose interesting articles, short stories, or passages and read them aloud. This exercise will help you improve your pronunciation, fluency, and overall confidence.
Reading aloud seems like a great idea. I'll make sure to include it in my daily routine. Thank you, Miss Johnson, for these valuable tips.
You're welcome, John. Remember, learning a language takes time and practice. Stay committed, be patient, and enjoy the process. With consistent effort, I'm confident you'll achieve fluent English speaking in no time. Good luck.
Thank you, Miss Johnson. I'm excited to embark on this journey. I'll keep you updated on my progress.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel. If you found value in this video, we kindly request you to share it with a friend who might also benefit from it. Thank you sincerely for your unwavering support. Your encouragement means the world to us. Take care and keep learning.